So I left the window open one day when we left, and this is what the cat did with her claws. So I'm trying to figure out what to do with that to protect it next time we leave windows open. So anyways, what I did with the screen door is I bought one of these to protect the screen from the cat. Went on pretty easy. Just drilled 4 holes and put the screws in there into the door, and that'll work for cats or dogs, even kids. It's not the strongest. I mean, it can be destroyed by a violent dog or a violent child, but the cat will not be able to ruin the screens. Now, to figure out what to do with that little devil and those screens. Oh, another thing is I got these wheel covers on Amazon. They're just cheap ones. They're not. What do you need heavy duty ones for? That's the way I see it. Let me show you something else I got. Instead of using lighters all the time, I bought this. It's a spark. It creates a spark here, so you don't need a lighter. It charges. You just turn it on like that, and then you hit this button right here. Watch this. Can you see it? Anyways, there's a spark across that gap there, and it charges with USB. It's pretty darn cool. Here, let's try it again. See it? Maybe if I do it against something dark. Anyway, it works great. Light your gas stove. See it? You pull that, push that forward, and it exposes the button, so you can't accidentally press the button. So that was like $5 or $6 on Amazon. So that's nice. The sun finally came out. So this morning we did go to the big tent early this morning. So maybe I'll post some of the video or pictures right after this. Here we go. Oh, you got one? Avoid the water. Rained yesterday and flooded the big tent out pretty much. Oh my God, look at that. Just go down the center right away. Yeah, they said it was cold in here. A little bit of everything. little guy. Yep.
Already not.
Those mountains. Not only is there a lot in the tent, but there's a lot outside the tent too. Look at all those electric bikes. I guess they're hoping to sell those. On our way to Blythe, California, and the sun is in our eyes. We're going to the Sizzler with a bunch of people. A bunch of friends. So, we have a steak dinner in our midst.
I haven't felt great.
No, she's been under the weather.
Not under the weather, I just haven't felt great. It's not a illness. It's just, I don't know what it is, but
Well, hopefully you can have some good food.
I hope I can.
In the mood for it anyways, I hope.